What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. Ooh, it's going to get hot tonight, so we better get to rolling, baby. Let's roll. That's right, baby. Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. Now, this is a recipe I kind of stole from my brother. He makes this all the time on the grill, but it's too damn cold outside for that shit right now, so I'm going to make it in the house. So, I already kind of went ahead and got started because I ain't got no time for that shit. I got to get going. I got to go. So, we going to go, and I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to walk you through it. So, first thing that you got to do, take that old jalapeno, and today I just got about 6 or 7 jalapenos. And I cut mine in half because that's my brother's style. And there's a great reason for doing that too. It's easy for you to get the stuff out of the middle. You want to do it like Afro Man said. Pick out the seeds and stems because you don't want none of that shit in there. Because boy, if you leave them seeds in there, it's going to light your ass up, boy. Your culo will be burning for days. You're going to be like old Harry and Lloyd, Dumb and Dumber, when they ate that atomic pepper, and mustard and ketchup ain't going to save your ass. So, you want to go ahead and take that jalapeno and cut the top off of it, and then cut it in half and go ahead and scoop that stuff out of the middle of it. And what I do is get a little bowl and put it to the side, and I kind of sing to it, and I say, jalapeno, 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 like Falco's ass. So, then you get that shit split, and you go ahead and take your cream cheese. Now, today I'm using some spreadable cream cheese, and that's because we want to spread it in the middle, boy. So, get your spreadable cream cheese and spread away. Make sure that you put a good amount in there too, because when it cooks, it's gonna melt, it's gonna go everywhere, and you want some good. So, once you get that done, we'll move on to that bacon. And today, I got the thick cut bacon because I want a big old bite of bacon on my shit. So, you take the bacon, and I'll show you how to do it right now. You fold it over, and the trick that I've learned is go ahead and overlap that first little slice with that cream cheese. That's gonna hold it in place. It's gonna make sure it stays wrapped, because you want it wrapped up. Wrap up your jalapeno syrup. So, go ahead and roll it up, and overlap if you need to, if you got a big old piece of bacon like I do tonight. And once we get those all wrapped up and tucked in there nice and neat, we're gonna go ahead and grab our skillet, and we'll come back, and we'll put these sumbitches in there, and we'll start frying them up, baby. Ooh, I cannot wait tonight. That's a good beer. I'm going to be reviewing that in one of my later beer reviews. But let's get back to business, baby. The skillet is hot, and it's time to drop. So, giddy up, pony boy, and let's put our little bacon-wrapped jalapeno popper right in this hot pan. Now, you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, how you going to keep that bacon on there without no toothpick? Well, first of all, I told you about the glue of the cream cheese. And second of all, baby, it's just common sense. Put the folded side down first, let it cook, and that way it's gonna adhere. It's gonna stick to it like Michael Strahan on the 50-yard line, baby. Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and put our bacon wrap deals down in that pan, and you wanna sing to it like old Conway Twitty. Lay me down and softly whisper pretty love words in your ear. Lay you down and hear that bacon sizzle, and it's gonna be good with a beer. Yeah. Ooh. So, we're going to let these cook. We're going to get our tongs, like Cisco, and we're going to flip these over because it's bacon, baby. It's not going to take that long. And the cheese is not going to take that long. And the pepper, well, it was edible when you bought it, baby. So, flipping, and we're going to do a little flip like this. Now, once you get them bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers all the way done, you're going to set them to the side, baby. Let them cool. Don't eat them right away because they're going to burn your mouth, baby. Whoa! And you're going to have to do something about it. But we won't want to do that. We want to do what's right. And what's right tonight is taking a look and taking a bite at these beautiful bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. You know what I'm talking about? I think you do. Alright, baby, the time has come. The bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers are done. And I'm having that first bite for this motherfucker right here. So, woo! Whoa, man. Delicious. That spice of the jalapeno and that little vegetable bite mixed with that bacon and then the cream cheese to tie it all together. That's top notch, sir. Top notch! Ooh! And I want to thank all of you top notch people for watching another episode of Cooking with Black. Oh, make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy those jalapeno poppers. And I'll see you next time, buddy.